Join immediately. Please tell your friends to join fast so that we will conclude the remaining part.
तुला काय करायचंय रे? तू कोणच
Tell your other friends to join fast. Only 36 participants are there. Hmm? I have to mark your attendance at the end of this particular lecture. I will mark your attendance. So at that time, whatever the students are present, I will mark only their attendance. Huh? Otherwise, you say no, sir. सकाळी आम्ही होतो. I will mark the attendance of those who are present till the last day. So I expect full attendance from your side. That is 70, 60 plus. At least 60 plus attendance should be there. So we are going to start the very important part of our discussion, the last part of our discussion for today's lecture. That is, you are going to see some pictures that I am going to show you. So marking of the PCC for the retaining wall footing, how they are doing this marking. Some pictures are there. With the line they have taken, how they are going to measure this particular, how they have dropped the lineouts, then how they have started their work, what is the technique they are going to use it. Okay, so some pictures I'm having in detail. I will tell you. See, reinforcement steel for the foundations. Now how they are going to lay this steel reinforcement. See this particular picture on both sides. Okay, how they are going to started their project steel reinforcement for the foundations. How it has been there. So at first, what they have done, they have excavated the soil. After excavating the soil, what is their next role? After excavating the soil, they have whatever the hard strata being there, they have provided the hard strata to that particular soil. Whatever the soil is being get hardened, and on that particular hard strata, they have rested their PCC bed first. Okay, they have rested their PCC bed, and then after they are by using the formwork, they have provided the reinforcement and the whatever the required concrete for that particular foundation. Okay, so footing, it may be any category of the foundation. It may be your rough foundation, it may be your pile foundation, it may be your shallow foundation. Our first step, site clearance. Then after we are going for the excavation. After excavation, getting the hard strata. After hard strata, laying down the PCC bed, and over the PCC bed, or pile cap. PCC bed is not compulsory for everything, for every structure. That is, before laying down the PCC bed, you need to provide the shallow or any category or suitable category of the foundation. If piles are there, then you need to drop down that particular piles into that particular excavated area. You need to remove all the soil. You need to pour the concrete in that. You have, then your pile foundation is ready. So any category of the piles, you are going to drop down that piles. How the pile foundation is there? Our cutting boxes are there, trench boxes are there. It will remove the soil, and you can pour the concrete. Okay. By that way, a simple technique I am just going to describe. By that way, you can do the concreting, and that is what your pile foundation. And over that particular piles, we called it as a pile cap. Now, again, this is the technique being adopted by the several contractors or the developers. Whatever the foundations you have laid, it may be shallow, rough, mat, pile, it may be any category. You can provide a layer of the PCC bed. Okay, that you called it as a pile cap also in case of the pile foundation, if you have provided. Otherwise, PCC bed is there, and then after PCC bed, you are going to, along with that PCC bed, you are going to start the footing work. Okay, and after the footing work, as the footing work progresses, you are going to start your pedestal columns. That is up to the plinth level, column work of the plinth level. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you. So reinforcement still for the foundations. See this particular foundation. What is this particular foundation? It's a simple isolated footing, rectangular footing, na? Correct? Not isolated, rectangular category of the footing. If you are going to see this picture, the second one. Okay, see the reinforcement, how they have provided. Below this, you are having a bed of the PCC. See this particular picture. Here is the bed of the PCC. Okay. So over this, along at the time of PCC, they have laid down this particular reinforcement, and now they are going to go for the footing, whatever the category of the footing they are interested, or as per their drawings. Then shuttering for the foundations. See this particular thing, the man. What they have done? They have provided the cover plates or plates. Why? Because see this particular area, it's a surrounding building, adjacent building. So whatever the soil beneath this adjacent building, it will not hamper the construction site which is going on. And also keep the thing, remember, your construction site will not hamper this adjacent building or building which is parallel to you. Okay, otherwise you have started excavation and there is settlement of that particular building, the settlement of the soil beneath that building, which is exactly coincide with you. So you need to care a proper, you need to take a proper care about this, about the adjacent buildings also, because underpinning and other things are associated with this. So shuttering for the foundations. Then concreting of foundation, nothing is there, just placing the reinforced shuttering over and pouring the concrete. Now you can pour the concrete. If you are going to see this particular picture, this particular worker is pouring the concrete using concrete pump. He is having a concrete pump, and whatever this particular part which has been there, this part. Okay, I think this part, I think it's a needle vibrator. So after pouring the concrete, one is going to vibrate that concrete. Okay, because vibration is also required just to make the concrete as a fully compacted by removing all the air voids. Okay, so that is again important, concreting for foundation. Then removing the earth or soil or leveling. Leveling, you can check the level by in case of this particular flat surfaces, ground surfaces. You can check the level using straight edge also, as we are using it in our road construction. Straight edge, a 3-meter wooden platform is there, just to check the level where the rutting is there in our road surface. Okay, rutting is there. Put the undulation this type or plain surface we are having. So we can check the straight edge we are having, or some leveling instruments we are having, so that we can level that particular soil, and we can compact also. Okay, some small rollers having the capacity of 6 to 8 tons. Okay, now we are having the fashion. What is that? I will tell you. You have started the project, you have done excavation, you have done PCC, you have done footing, and you have completed pedestal columns. Please remember what I'm saying. You have done excavation, you have done PCC, you have done footing, you have done pedestal column, that is up to the plinth. Okay. Now after plinth, you are going to come filling that particular plinth level by using rubber soiling, murum, then plinth, that is PCC or grades. Right? Rubber soiling करायचं आहे सर, मुरुम टाकायचा आहे किंवा प्लिंथ फिलिंग मध्ये PCC चं हे असेल. So nowadays, if area is larger area is there, then we are having the fashion to make the compaction by using the small rollers, maybe of capacity 4 ton, 6 ton and 8 ton capacity. ठीक आहे, 4 टन 6 टन आणि 8 टन कॅपॅसिटी मध्ये छोटे छोटे रोलर्स असतात की जे विच डझंट रिक्वायर मशीन. तुम्ही क्रिकेट मध्ये जे क्रिकेटचं पिच रोलिंग करतात, दॅट रोलर यू नो व्हेरी वेल, that rollers, so smaller rollers. Okay, that by using that rollers also you can make compaction of that particular soil or the murum filling, whatever you are going to do it for the plinth filling purpose. Then PCC under grade slab, as I am discussing, this is PCC under grade slab. Okay, so you are having this particular you see this column that is underground underground area. This is, see this height, this is your retaining wall, or you can call it as a compound wall also. It's not compound, but it's a retaining wall. Okay, so here the concreting is going to start. Okay, so PCC under grade slab. As I discussed, nowadays we are having the fashion to provide a grade slab. Grade slab means reinforcement slab, as the slab which you are going to see on the top side. जो स्लॅब तुम्ही बघता गच्ची, जो तुमचा स्लॅब असतो की ज्याच्यामध्ये रेन्फोर्समेंट असते, तो स्लॅब खाली टाकायचा. फरशी ज्याच्यावरती असते ना, फरशीच्या खाली जो पीसीसीचा बेड आहे, फक्त पीसीसी न टाकता त्याच्यामध्ये रेन्फोर्समेंट टाकतात, त्याला म्हटलं जातं ग्रेड स्लॅब. फरक लक्षात आला? ग्रेड स्लॅब म्हणजे काय टेक्निक आहे नेमकं? ग्रेड स्लॅब म्हणजे जो वरचा स्लॅब आहे तो स्लॅब खाली टाकायचा, फक्त रेन्फोर्समेंट तेवढ्या प्रमाणात मध्ये नसते. ठीक आहे, हेही लक्षात घ्या. मेन स्टील आणि डिस्ट्रीब्युशन स्टील जे आहे तुमचं थोडंफार पर्सेंट डिझाईन व्हॅरी होतं. ठीक आहे, कारण आपल्याला एवढा हेवी लोड लागत नाही तिथे. ठीक आहे, कारण ऑलरेडी तुमचं पीसीसी कॉन्क्रीटिंग असणार आहे. मग रादर दॅन प्रोव्हाइडिंग अ प्लेन पीसीसी, वी कॅन प्रोव्हाइड अ आरसीसी. ओके, रेन्फोर्स cement concrete, that is we called it as a grade slab. Technique of providing grade slabs, it will definitely improve the strength and durability of the structure. Please provide it from onwards whenever you are working on the site. Insist your project manager that you will go for the grade slab. Then column and RCC wall reinforcement. See the RCC reinforcement work for this particular column. Okay, see this column, see the slab is there, they have casted, they have provided the reinforcement of the slab. See the arrangement, very keen and concise spacing is, you are going to observe it. Okay, see this column also. Okay, very keen and concise. As per the drawing you are going to see some, maybe there may be some difference, but see the spacing. First reinforcement, other curtailed bar, third reinforcement, other curtailed bar. Then see this particular stirrups, 1, 2, 3, how they are going to bind up. So the spacing is very important, and where you are going to get this in the plan, it is already mentioned what is the spacing that you need to keep. Okay, then column and RCC wall shuttering. Okay, now column, see the shuttering for the column works. Already I think you are more expert on than me in this case. Column and RCC shuttering work, how you are going to check the level of the column. See, this is the question which is been asked in the interviews also. Okay, that's some interviews. Now are you going to see this column? Yes. See this particular column, this part, this picture. See the top level. How you are going to check the column level? Column चा check कसा घेतला जातो सांगतो तुम्हाला. You are having plumb up, वळंबा ज्याला म्हटलं जातं, ठीक आहे, with you. What you have to do? You have to tie that particular plumb bob or attach that particular plumb bob exactly at the top. Exactly at the top. Okay. After tying it at this particular part, release the plumb bob freely. Release the plumb bob freely. Freely plumb bob release करायचा. Okay. So after releasing the plumb bob freely, you have to measure the distance between the shuttering that you have provided and the plumb bob line. What you have to measure? You have to measure the distance between the shuttering work you have provided and the plumb line. जी दोरी आहे ती दोरी आणि जो शटरिंग तुम्ही प्रोव्हाइड केलाय यातला डिफरन्स किती आहे at this first corner and from bottom also, कारण level height आपल्याला bottom नुसार कळते. So then you need to keep that plumb bob exactly midway in that particular column. पहिल्यांदा कॉर्नरला ठेवलाय, मग मध्ये ठेवायचा. Again, you need to freely suspend it, measure the difference between the shuttering and the foam shuttering work and your plumb bob line. Again, keep at the third point. Again, measure it. So in this way, you have to take all the points and you need to check whether the difference is going to observe. And you are going to find some difference of some mm. 4 mm, 5 mm, कधी कधी 1 इंचापर्यंत जातो, अर्धा इंचापर्यंत जातो. ठीक आहे, अर्धा इंचापर्यंतचा डिफरन्स खूप झाला, 10 mm पेक्षा जास्त नकोय. तेही डिपेंड करतं तुमचा ज्युनियर इंजिनियर किंवा तुमचा सिनियर इंजिनियर तुम्हाला सोडेल का नाही. ठीक आहे, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो मर्सी फॉर दिस मिस्टेक्स. ओके, on site, whenever we get the chance to go on the site, I can show you how the column check is there. ओके, कसं चेक घेतला जातो कॉलमला. काहीच नाही, फक्त प्लंब बोब लावून इथे सोडून लेवल बघितली जाते आणि डिस्टन्स बघितलं जातं. ठीक आहे, ते बरोबर लाईन मध्ये आहे का नाही. अदरवाइज कुठेतरी इथे डिफरन्स कॉर्नर, एक फर्स्ट कॉर्नरला डिफरन्स 4 mm चा दिसतोय, सेकंड कॉर्नरला तो 8 mm चा झालाय. असं कसं काय झालं? याचा अर्थ कॉलम काय झालाय, सरकलाय तुमचा. बरोबर आहे, कुठेतरी मिस्टेक झालेली, अलाइनमेंट हुकली कॉलमची. कॉलमची अलाइनमेंट हुकता कामा नाही, बिकॉज दिस कॉर्नर्स, दिस पॉइंट्स आर बीन टेकन अप युजिंग टोटल स्टेशन नाउडेज. ओके, ते लोकेशन पॉइंट्स त्याच्या आरएल मार्कआउट केले जातात. ठीक आहे, आणि त्यानुसार त्याचं एक्झिक्युशन, त्यानुसार त्याची मार्किंग असते. ओके, आता इथे तसं दाखवता येणार नाही पिक्चर मध्ये, पण वेन एव्हर आय गॉट द चान्स टू वर्क, विल टेक यू टू द साइट. ओके, and those who have worked on the site, I think you are familiar with that. Then columns and wall concreting, just putting the concrete slab and beam shuttering. See the shuttering work of the slab and beam. See the team, how they have shuttered this. See this picture, this 2%. This is the beam arrangement that they are going to provide. Okay, beam arrangement. This is the cantilever portion of the slab where this person is sitting, and this is the intermediate portion of the slab. Okay, so slab and beam casting, very important one. Okay, then slab reinforcement. See this, these are nothing but covers, clear covers we called it as. त्याला clear cover असं म्हटलं जातं, ते covers आहेत slab साठीचे. ठीक आहे, see this particular portion, see the spacing, very nicely they have taken the pictures. Okay, some pictures I just want to give some highlights for that. That's why I have taken these pictures. नेमकं काय काय असतं, खूप छान. Everything, every part is very interested. Okay, our every part is very interested. If you are going to start your project and you are starting to work on this site, you will feel very blessed. Concreting, see the concreting how they have done. Okay, some part they have done, now it is going on. See this particular part, see this part, slab concreting. Then reinforcement and shuttering for the staircase. See the staircase. See, this is the, they have begun reinforcement. Actually you are having the design with you. You are having the design with you. तुमच्याकडे डिझाईन ऑलरेडी असतं. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे स्टेअर रायझिंग पार्ट किती, ट्रेड किती. राईज जनरली किती असतो, 150 mm, 6 इंचचा. ट्रेड किती असतो, 10 इंचचा ट्रेड असतो तुमचा. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे 250 mm चा. ठीक आहे, सो 6 इंचचा तुमचा रायझिंग पार्ट आहे. हा रायझिंग पार्ट, दिस हाईट यू कॉल्ड इट एज रायझर्स, अँड दिस ट्रेड, ट्रेड म्हणजे हॉरिझॉन्टल पार्ट. ओके, वेअर यू आर गोइंग टू पुट युअर लेग. So rise and treads 6 आणि 10 इंचाचे जनरल डायमेन्शन्स मी सांगतोय. सो सी दिस रेनफोर्समेंट अरेंजमेंट. ठीक आहे.
हा केला.
Somebody voice is Praful. Praful, mute your voice. Praful.
Yes, Milla.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see this particular part, reinforcement and shuttering for the staircase. Beautiful picture that I am having. This is called as deck slab. Deck slab, bottom slab we called it as, over which your rises and tread part, stairs are being laid. Okay, so this is that particular part that this person is moving on. So this is your deck slab for that particular case. Okay, see this reinforcement arrangement is like this. This is your landing part. See the clear covers are provided for the landing portion. Again, this is your rising portion. Okay, this is the landing part. It's a simple dog-leg stairs we are having. Okay, and see this again. Here is a beam. You can or here is the particular part of reinforcement. You are going to see the stirrups, how they are arranged. Okay, so reinforcement and shuttering. Very nice picture we are having. This is just for your reference whenever you are working on the site. So see this block work. See, these are flash bricks, completely flash bricks. No conventional bricks they have used. So flash bricks. So block works they are going to provide it. Okay. Then kitchen platform. See the kitchen platform, how they have been provided. Okay. What you are going to do nowadays in kitchen platform? Are you having some? You are a superstitious person or not? I think most of us are superstitious person. सध्या खूप अंधश्रद्धा असतात. याच्यामध्ये एक अंधश्रद्धा असते किचन प्लॅटफॉर्म. जनरली always go for L-shaped kitchen platform. That is the best one. L-shaped, not single straight one. Don't go for C-shaped. Always go for the L-shaped kitchen platform. In the L-shaped kitchen platform, see this right-hand picture or left-hand, any picture you can see. See here, you can provide, if here is the window position, now you are going to see, here is your window position. You can keep your gas and all other things over here. And at this particular corner, you can provide your sink. And on this particular remaining part, if window is here, somewhere at this particular point, you can provide your, what you called, gas and other parts over here. And beneath this, here, you are going to provide kitchen trolleys. Nowadays, in most of the apartment, 90% of the apartments, they are going to provide you the kitchen trolley. These are costlier one, but if you are not interested to have the kitchen trolley facility with you, don't go for it. Tell your contractor, tell your engineer, I don't require kitchen trolleys, because kitchen trolleys, I find it is difficult to clean from the inside. मोठ्या लोक बिग फ्लॅट्स जे करोड मध्ये प्राइस आहे फ्लॅटची अशा ठिकाणी किंवा आता सुद्धा आपल्याकडे तर हे एकदम फॉन्ड आहे किचन ट्रॉलीचं. पण किचन ट्रॉलीमध्ये तुमच्या म्हणजे एका छोट्या रूम मध्ये किचन ऑफ साइज not more than I can say 10 feet or 9 feet by suppose 15, 9 feet by 12 feet kitchen, very small kitchen you are having. So what is the strategy for the apartment? Hall is big, bedroom is then, second one is bedroom, and third one as far as size is considered, your kitchen is there. So kitchens are smaller one. So in the smaller kitchen to occupy a large whatever the utensils you are having the fashion of providing the trolleys. Okay, ट्रॉलीज प्रोव्हाइड करतात ज्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही थाळ्या, ताट, वाट्या, डबे, वॉट एव्हर इट मे बी, यू कॅन प्रोव्हाइड इट. आपल्याकडे लाफ्ट असतं, माळ केलं जातं, पोटमाळ. ठीक आहे. जनरली ऑन युअर बाथरूम्स अँड टॉयलेट वी आर हॅव्हिंग अ गॅप बिटवीन आवर स्लॅब अँड दॅट पर्टिक्युलर किचन अँड बाथरूम स्लॅब, ज्याला डेक स्लॅब ज्याला म्हटलं जातं. सो दॅट पर्टिक्युलर गॅप वी कॉल्ड इट एज अ पोटमाळ, आणि तिथे मग आपण आपले मटेरियल ठेवत असतो. ठीक आहे. बट इफ यू आर नॉट डुईंग दॅट, you are reducing the cost of your project, you can do this technique also. Okay, Sajan, you are having any, I think you are having some question. You can ask or you can put it in the chat box. So L-shaped is the best one, I can tell you. Okay, L-shaped kitchen platform is the best one. And superstitious we are discussing about. So after finishing this work, जिथे कॉन्क्रिटिंग झालं ना, जिथे तुमच्या फरशा बसवायचं काम येतं इथे, ठीक आहे, तुमचा प्लॅटफॉर्म झाल्यानंतर ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही फरशी बसवता, आपल्याकडे एक हॅबिट आहे, तो फरशी बसवणारा जो कामगार असतो ना, फरशीचं ज्याला काम दिलेलं असतं हे प्लॅटफॉर्मचं, ठीक आहे, तो कामगार तुमच्याकडून 1 किंवा 2 रुपये घेतो, 1 रुपया जनरली, आणि तो त्या फरशीमध्ये आणि तुमचं जे किचनचा हा जो प्लॅटफॉर्म आहे वरचा फ्लॅट पोर्शन प्लॅटफॉर्म, याच्यामध्ये तो 1 रुपया लावत असतो, ठीक आहे. आपल्याकडे असं एक श्रद्धा आहे की जर असं तुम्ही पैसा जर तुमच्या किचन मध्ये जर लावलेला असेल, ज्यावेळेस तुमचं प्लॅटफॉर्मचं काम चालू असेल त्यावेळेस घरामध्ये पैसा भरपूर राहतो, असं एक मन आहे. इट्स अ सुपरस्टिशन, आय डोंट नो काही लोक फॉलो करतात किंवा नाही, पण वास्तुशास्त्रामध्ये असं काही प्रोव्हिजन नाहीये की तुम्ही पैसा लावला पाहिजे, पण ते एक सुपरस्टिशन आपल्याकडे आहे, तेही मी तुम्हाला सांगतो 100%. तर हे जे खाली जे फरशी असते बसवलेली त्याच्यामध्ये पैसा लावला जातो, तो रुपया किंवा 2 रुपये लावले जातात फरशीला, ठीक आहे, बांधकाम करतानाच. सो दॅट इज माय ओपिनियन अबाउट दिस किचन प्लॅटफॉर्म. देन इन्स्पेक्शन मध्ये सगळं चेक केलं जाते. सी दिस इज द हॅट, व्हॉट हॅट दिस इंडिकेट्स, इट्स अ व्हाईट हॅट यू आर गोइंग टू सी. The white hat is always associated with project manager, and laborers are having the hat which is of yellow color. Okay, and white hat represents, it may be your project manager or it may be your engineer if it is not available. Color coding hat, जे हॅट वापरतात त्याची कोडिंग केलेली असते. वर्कर साठी येलो कलरचा हॅट असतो, ठीक आहे. तुमचा जो इंजिनियर असतात ग्रीन कलर आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये व्हाईट कलर आहे. व्हाईट कलर शक्यतो जो तुमचा डीएम असतो किंवा जो तुमचा पीएम असतो त्याच्याकडे असतं, ते प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजर्सकडे, आणि त्याचं लेबल असतं त्याच्यावरती. कधी कधी इंजिनियर लोक सुद्धा वापरतात लेबल नुसार, इफ यू आर हॅव्हिंग अ लेबलिंग सिस्टम ऑन दॅट. ओके, हॅट सुद्धा माहित पाहिजे, अदरवाईज तुम्ही प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजर आहात आणि तुम्ही येलो कलरचा हॅट घालून जाताय, इट सीम्स व्हेरी बॅड. ओके, यू आर प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजर अँड यू डोंट नो द बेसिक रूल which helmet you have to wear. Then visit site, then finishing work. See this finishing work, he has constructed a very nice apartment, facade finish, we call it a sample platforms. एक sample platform आपण तयार करतो, ठीक आहे. Few examples, scaffolding work, you are going to see this scaffolding work. जिथं पेंटिंग करायचं आहे, एवढ्या उंचावरती प्लास्टरिंग करायचं असेल तर मग अशा पद्धतीचं स्कॅफोल्डिंग, स्ट्रॉंग स्कॅफोल्डिंग करणं गरजेचं आहे, फॉर इन्क्लुडिंग सेफ्टी. सी दिस प्लॅटफॉर्म, वुडन प्लॅटफॉर्म, that person is, that labor is here, again you can see this wooden or steel platform is provided, they have completely, and see the laborers are working over here. So scaffolding again very important part. Then clear cover, see this is the clear cover which is required. Why this clear cover is required? In the previous lecture also I have discussed this, why this clear cover is required. Just to keep a spacing between the concrete and the reinforcement, we are having the clear covers. Otherwise कॉलम बघताय, कॉलमला बाहेरून तुम्हाला स्टील दिसतंय, तसं कधी बघितलंय का तुम्ही की बाहेरून स्टील दिसतंय, कॉर्नरला स्टील आहे? नाही. स्टील कुठं असतं? कॉन्क्रीटच्या आतमध्ये काहीतरी डिस्टन्स वरती ते स्टील असतं. मग आतमध्ये काय डिस्टन्स असतं, त्या डिस्टन्सला म्हटलं जातं क्लिअर कव्हर, ठीक आहे. का बाहेर डायरेक्ट दिसतो तुम्हाला कॉलमच्या कॉर्नरला रेन्फोर्समेंट दिसते का? नाही. कुठे आहे रेन्फोर्समेंट? कॉन्क्रीटच्या आतमध्ये आहे. आतमध्ये किती आहे? काहीतरी डिस्टन्स असतं, आणि या डिस्टन्सला काय म्हटलं जातं? दॅट डिस्टन्स वी कॉल्ड इट एज अ क्लिअर कव्हर. सो फॉर द स्लॅब clear cover is 15 to 25 mm. For the column it is 40 mm. For the footings it is around 50 mm. Okay, हे स्टँडर्ड डायमेन्शन्स आपण यूज करतो, थंब रूल्स ज्याला म्हणूया, किंवा स्टँडर्ड डायमेन्शन्स आहेत. सो 40 mm चं क्लिअर कव्हर असतं प्रोव्हाइड केलेलं दोन्ही बाजूने, ठीक आहे. आता एकाच बाजूने प्रोव्हाइड करतात, दोन्ही बाजूने असतं. ओके, earth filling, some pictures, plastering, painting with OBD, then MS railing. ही रेलिंग आहे, स्टेअरकेसची रेलिंग आहे, हँडल्स ज्याला म्हटलं जातं, ठीक आहे. सी द PCC bed is there, then over the PCC they have started drilling. Then plumbing lines, see the bends, this is called as bends which is being provided. U-shape bend is there. Okay, see these bendings, कुठले U असेल, T शेप मध्ये असेल, L शेप मध्ये असेल, C शेप मध्ये असेल, बेंडिंग, खूप सारे बेंडिंगचे प्रकार भेटतात, ठीक आहे. Then terrace structure records. The last part of our discussion, only 10 minutes are remaining and I am going to conclude it fast. because further part again I'm going to discuss in our next lecture. So yes, as I said, 10 minutes are left. So I will at first take the attendance, then we'll proceed towards the remaining part. So just a minute. Today is 7/7/2020, time 10 to 12. Okay. Roll number 66, 10, 66, 10, 24, 25, 30, 25 नंतर 52, 54, 55. Asmita Jadhav. Your roll number, Asmita Jadhav. Asmita Jadhav, roll number सांगा.
8.
8. Okay. Amir. 54 झाले. 13, 44, 45. 49, 5. नंतर 53, 56, 57, 62. Bhosle, your first lecture. '63, '67, '68, '71, '69. Over 14, 15. 4, 14, 15, 19, 20, 23, 23, okay, 28, 3, 31, 34, 39, 42. 43, 48, 70, 73, 74, 73, 74, 9. 6, 53. प्रफुल्ल पुजारी, रोल नंबर किती तुमचा? हे प्रफुल्ल कोण आहेत? पुजारी आहेत का कोण आहेत? प्रफुल्ल. प्रवीण पवार, रोल नंबर किती तुमचा? रोल नंबर टाका रे. प्रवीण पवार, रोल नंबर सांगा. प्रवीण पवार कोण आहेत मेंबर काय माहिती? अब्सेंट मार्क करतो. रोल नंबर नसेल तर अब्सेंट मार्क करणार आहे मी इथून पुढे बरं का. You should write your name and after that your roll number should be there, or your roll number and then your name, whatever the sequence, but roll number is required. If no only name is there, I will not count your attendance.
Okay, sir.
Praveen Pawar, roll number is it?
टाकलं की सर 50 टाकलं की.
प्रवीण पवारचा कुठं टाकला रे?
प्रवीण पवार 50.
प्रवीण पवार 50 आणि प्रफुल्लचा?
प्रफुल्लचा आठवत सर.
आठवत नाही. रोल नंबर 2, 29, 41. जाऊ दे. अब्सेंटी झाल्यावरती फोन करते मग. प्रवीण पवार 50. ओके. हा चला. तुमचा माझ्या मते 53 आहे, जर मी तुमचा अटेंडन्स विसरलो नसेल तर.
हा सर.
माय मेमरी स्ट्रॉंग.
53 आहे सर. हा राईट.
करेक्ट आहे.
हा
Okay.
तुमची मेमरी लय शार्प.
I think somebody has quoted some. Yes, 53, correct?
हा.
Good. Though it's a gap of one semester, I still recall your attendance somewhat.
हा.
Also, tell your other friends to not to remain absent for the remaining lectures, because from tomorrow or whatever lecture we are getting, we will start our unit number 2 introductory part, and directly we are starting with the problems, because unit number 2 and 3 only problems along with some theories there, but problems are more important. We will get a question of 12 marks on that. Okay, so what we are discussing, records. I think for the today's lecture we will stop here for this particular type, because I just want to know, I want to share, I want to spend at least 30 minutes that what record you actually want to keep on the site. Okay, so maybe tomorrow I will cover up this part of the records, because that is very important parameter again, along with some technical parameters. What record you want to keep, you have to keep while working on the site. नेमकं कुठल्या प्रकारचा रेकॉर्ड तुम्हाला साइट वरती ठेवावा लागतो, that is very important. Okay, what documents that you require, we will definitely discuss this part, as we are short of time. We are having just 3 minutes, so in this 3 minutes I will give you the liberty. You can ask me some questions, whether you are getting समजते सर्वांना व्यवस्थित समजते तर फास्ट होते. मराठी इंग्लिश, I have kept my English very simple, तेवढंच येतं आपल्याला मला पण. Okay, but still I am trying. So if you are having any queries, any doubts, you can put it in the chat box. I think Mr. Rohit, this is your first day. Rohit Badgude. Rohit. Avinash, having any question? Roll number 6.
No, sir.
Everything, you are getting everything? Everyone is getting everything? व्यवस्थित चाललंय?
Ha, sir.
Suggestions, all suggestions are always welcome. हा,
तर जरा मराठीत पण बोला, जास्त कळेल.
ओके ओके. आवर सब्जेक्ट इज दॅट. मराठीतून मी बोलणारच आहे. ओके ओके. मराठी आपल्या साइट वरती मराठी जास्त लागते. ठीक आहे. सम पार्ट आय एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन मराठी ओनली. ओके. मी जसं पहिल्या दिवशी म्हटलं होतं, पाटबंधाऱ्यापेक्षा इरिगेशन इज व्हेरी सिम्पल. लाइकवाइज आवर सेक्टर इज देअर. ठीक आहे. while working on the site. If you any questions, I expect some questions from your side. Anyone? Gitanjali, Gitanjali Madmu, any questions? Shweta, any question? Naneshwar, any questions? Swapnil, Chavan, Rohini, any questions? Rajan? Rohit, any question? Rohit's first day, I think. I want to ask him. No doubt. Sir, Marathi's bola. It is more understandable than English. No doubt. Okay. I will try to keep myself in Marathi also, but English I am trying to keep the English in simple only. Simple English I am speaking, not some foreigner. Okay. So any questions from your side? Vikramshil, Ranjit, Mr. Ranjit Nagne.
बोला सर.
Any questions on this topic?
काय नाही सर, काय नाही.
And एकदम okay. Sagar Bhalekar, Sagar, Abhijit. Any questions? See, we are having still 1 minute, less than 1 minute. 40 seconds still remain. Okay. If there is no question from your side, listening, and today I am happy that your attendance is improved somewhat, not to the full extent, but definitely in the next lecture I expect 74 out of 74 attendance. And please be please be attentive for all the lectures and classes, because everything is important, and this subject for your professional career is mandatory. Okay. So thank you for the lecture, for today's lecture. Bye bye. We will see you for the next lecture.
Okay, sir.